turning my
Hey
passion into
y'all,
purpose,
welcome
one
back to
sweet
Treats by
strawberry
Veronica.
crumble at a time.
Today I'm decorating 50 strawberry crumble mini pans. Yes, 50. And I just had to bring y'all behind the scenes because this batch means more than just sweets. This is a part of my journey to turn my passion into something bigger, to turn my passion into something sweet, greater than whatever I've been going through. And so, baking is a part of me where I am able to put my ingredients together and to create, to divine, to allow my imaginations to really run wild, you guys. Like, I enjoy baking, I enjoy putting the right ingredients in place. Let me be real with y'all. I had some lonely nights in this process. Some how am I going to do? Is this going to work? Basically, me trying to talk me out of what God called me to do and who God called me to be. So even when I worked my 9 to 5, I clocked in and I clocked out, but I still felt like I was defeated. I felt like I wasn't moving in my purpose. I felt like, God, it has to be more in life. I know I'm just not called to work a 9 to 5. God, what are you telling me at this point? I wasn't living my purpose. I felt like I was just missing out on a lot. But baking these little pans right here, this is what gives me the ability to event and divine, to really get out of my comfort zone, to really create using those God given talents, what God have really already blessed me with. So I started with just a few orders on the side in my baking business slash sweets business. And now here I am with these 50 mini pans in one day. That's God moving, and I'm trusting the process. Every sprinkle, every crumble that I have to make, it's all prayer, it's all consistency, it's all about purpose. And you got to understand that it was not always easy. Some days I was tired. Some days I was wondering if I'm doing enough. I was always coming back to this like someone's going to take a bite of this crumble and feel joy. And that's what keeps me going. Someone is going to have a rough day and they're going to bite into these cakes and so much joy is just going to arise in their mind, in their life, that they will no longer have to feel, or really think about what they're going through. They can find something to be grateful about, something to be joyful about, something why God really woke them up on this morning. And so these are the things that keep me going. Running a trees business is, by myself, is like, God, I need a team. And eventually I'm going to get a team. But, look at this setup, y'all. These 50 mini pans are looking amazing. Just these orders by itself, it reminds me of why I started baking in the first place. And as I begin to build and add this wonderful homemade strawberry crumble on each one, adding this homemade strawberry glaze on each pan, it just reminded me of a family that I'm building, life that I'm able to, give back to. And so I just thank God in this because y'all don't understand how much of a joy it is, how much of a pleasure and an honor it is to even have the ability. One thing that I like to remember is where my students come in and they want to learn all these different things. And can I just say that making these mini pans, making any treats, I really adore it. I really adore helping my children. I really adore helping others, helping other treat makers or whatever, because sometimes you just need somebody to be there by your side, to hold your hand, to walk you through the process. And then once you gravitate to a plan, once you put it all together, listen, y'all, it becomes a masterpiece. It's no longer in your mind. It lets you know that I'm capable. I can do this. It's possible. And so this treat business all by myself, it has taught me so many things to just be grateful for. And so I do have 50 pans after these strawberry crumble, and I'll make sure that I get online and share this with you guys. And I thank y'all. And if you're watching this, if you've been thinking about stepping out on faith with your own gift, the godly gift that God has given you, just do it scared. I started with what I had, just a hand mixer and prayer. If you love sweets, things, you love baking, stick around. And if you're on your journey, business healing, whatever, you're not alone. We're building this one day at a time, one treat at a time. And so I just want to encourage you on today. Don't be waiting for nobody to give you the okay to start your business. Don't overthink it, that you need more than what you need. You have an oven, right? All right, start there. Don't overthink the process. The main thing is that our mind and our own self, we try to self-sabotage who we are and who God has called us to be when He has given every last one of us gifts to walk out, to stand, to be authentically who He called us to be. And so that's being bold, all right? That's stepping out on faith regardless of what anybody else going to say, anybody else is going to do. That's doing and being the prime example who He called you to be. And so here I am adding these strawberries, these fresh strawberries that I cut up on top, just giving it another, a better look. I mean, everybody eats with their eyes, don't you? And so, I really enjoy you guys. I really thank you guys for watching. I'm just adding these strawberries. We're going to package these together. Once I'm done, I'm going to add a little more extra glaze after I get finished adding all my strawberries. And we're going to get ready to package these. And I thank you guys. Yes. These 50 strawberry crumble pans are ready to bless someone's taste buds. If you want to try some, hit the link in the description to order or follow me for more behind the scenes like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Not just for sweets, but for the journey, because I'm not just making treats, I'm making room for life I pray for, and I'm bringing y'all with me.